In this video, we'll address these issues and what Tesla is currently working on. You'll also hear about his opinions on the company. Do you think of Tesla as an EV company or as an AI company? Can Tesla manage on their own in this race to be the best company out there? These are some of the questions that people can't help but ask, because the answers to them could make you more money or lose you money. In addition to working with other businesses, Tesla has been refining its EV and AI divisions. Watch the video to learn more, but not before giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to Tesla Insights, which provides updates on Tesla-related news. Interesting viewpoints about Tesla's identity have emerged. While many see it as an electric vehicle manufacturer, there is a growing belief that Tesla should be viewed as an artificial intelligence company. This perspective shift could have a big impact on the company's future, especially given the recent hype surrounding AI. As one of the top analysts, Ives sees Tesla as a tech company that will benefit greatly from the ongoing AI wave. For this reason, before we dive into AI, let's discuss the overall strength of the tech sector. Earlier this year, I mentioned that tech stocks were poised to experience a gain of 20%, and as of May, the Nasdaq had already surged by 24%. Ives' statement raises the question of how much more growth potential there is, given that there may be a 10 to 15 upside. The impression of the tech sector as a safety blanket, solid fundamentals, better than expected guidance, and cost-cutting initiatives are some of the elements contributing to the confidence. However, the true game changer is what Ives views as his career's most revolutionary tech theme, the AI revolution. I contend that Tesla's future may be closely related to artificial intelligence. AI. At first, perceptions of Tesla as an AI firm may be sluggish to develop, but if it becomes evident that Tesla is well positioned to address autonomous driving, opinions may quickly change to reflect this viewpoint. Two prominent figures have impacted perceptions, with James Dahmer being a suggested follower and Hallmark's collection of complete self-driving films in San Francisco, despite the fact that Tesla employs engineers in Vancouver. How certain are you that the company has a real possibility of becoming an AI company? The San Francisco videos show a better caliber of execution. Considering Elon's prior accomplishments with SpaceX and leading the EV industry, the potential success of Tesla's Dodo supercomputer, despite his admission that it is a long shot, boosts Ives' confidence. Elon conservatively estimates that AI represents an $800 billion market opportunity with the potential to reach trillions. This outlook refutes claims that the state of affairs now resembles an AI, according to Bubble Eyes. It's more like a gold rush, pointing out that NVIDIA has experienced historic growth, with an unprecedented 60% increase in guidance for a quarter. This growth affects NVIDIA and has repercussions for hyperscale players like Microsoft and Google. It also has an impact on other companies in the consumer tech space, such as Apple and Meta. Despite the enthusiasm and potential of AI, Ives highlights the broader ramifications for the chip sector. Software names like Salesforce.com and Palantir, and the whole tech industry. Even after the gold rush, some investors don't think of Tesla as an AI firm. Although the stock's historical performance shows periods of stagnation followed by large fluctuations, investors in Tesla may not care as much about the distinction, because the stock has shown time and time again to be able to captivate the market and invest your short-term perspectives. Prevail. Looking back at Tesla's history reveals that there have been periods of tremendous innovation that make earlier movements meaningless. But there have also been times of consolidation during which the stock stays unchanged for roughly 5 years. Lately, though, things have started to look up as Tesla is gaining significant traction and experiencing explosive growth. Expansion. While discussing other companies in this sector, the question of whether there are any undervalued options that haven't seen a skyrocketing rise yet arises. It's thought that once it becomes widely acknowledged that Tesla is primarily an AI company, the current consolidation period will come to an end. What separates the winners from the losers in this field on the software front? Microsoft, NVIDIA, Google, AMD, and a few other companies are thought to be the obvious picks that will benefit. However, one should investigate second and third derivatives, such as Salesforce.com, which appears to have unrealized potential. Dan also thinks that Tesla will profit significantly from the AI wave in the future. This is just the beginning of an exciting journey for AI, and this week's distinction was particularly notable, indicating that the game is on to the topic of electric vehicles. Tesla's stock soars by roughly 6%, making it a clear winner. It has even eclipsed the Toyota Corolla in sales to take the top spot. It's worth noting that Tesla's market share in the US is already over 50%, so even if someone initially intended to purchase a Ford EV after comparing it to a Tesla, they might end up choosing the latter since more EVs on the market directly benefit Tesla. While Tesla drivers might not be thrilled about sharing their superchargers, investors are delighted as the stock price soared. This partnership could be a game changer for Ford as well. Finally, this collaboration is a huge victory for the business. A few days ago, it could have appeared unreal that Jim Farley and Elon Musk will conduct a joint Twitter Spaces event. But in actuality, Ford and Tesla have both realized how important teamwork is. Ford recognizes the value of the Tesla supercharger network, and Tesla knows that its success depends on the performance of Ford and General Motors. This unanticipated alliance highlights the rapidly shifting automotive landscape and the intensifying competition for market supremacy in electric vehicles. One thing is certain, though, it's not a zero-sum game. While some may wonder why Tesla needs Ford and GM to be financially successful, it's crucial to understand that Tesla's goal of accelerating the shift to sustainable energy is made possible by the success of other automakers. But how does this help? In practical terms, let's examine a few claims about Tesla. Tesla's superchargers would surely make more money if Ford and GM used Tesla's infrastructure for charging. In addition, if Tesla supplied these automakers with certain parts, like batteries, it might open up a new business avenue for the company that involved unanticipated licensing. Although the long-term benefits of Tesla's completely autonomous technology to other businesses are likewise negligible, it's important to remember that Tesla is independent of other manufacturers' success unless there are worries about government intervention because of a perceived monopoly. Since other automakers, such as Stellantis, have not yet fully embraced EVs, Tesla's supremacy is not total, and partnerships with other automakers can be mutually beneficial. It is crucial to acknowledge that Tesla can continue to thrive independently. Ford CDO Farley appears to have made a wise decision in this EVA poker game for months, as it offers a chance to increase the supercharger network's revenue. This partnership could also might result in Ford using Tesla batteries, which would be a significant modernization step. However, given Tesla's demand for batteries and the limited supply of their new 4680 batteries, other automakers may be a while before adopting Tesla batteries widely. Although it's unclear why Dan said that Tesla needs GM and Ford to succeed, recent developments at the Tesla Gigafactory in Nevada have shed light on the matter. The most important lesson from the visit is the incredible advancements made in battery technology. Both in terms of innovation and production, Tesla has streamlined procedures significantly, which has decreased the cost of batteries. In conclusion, the EV arms race is heating up, and Tesla finds itself at the forefront of battery production and innovation. While the precise timeline for Tesla's involvement in supplying batteries to other automakers is unknown, this advantage positions Tesla to potentially offer sub-30,000 EVs in the coming years, a feat that other players in the market are still vying to achieve. Dan's insights during the factoring tour may have led him to believe that Tesla could start selling batteries to other automakers. While this may not happen soon, it would be a positive outcome for Tesla, and an oversupply of batteries would allow for a faster transition to structural battery packs powered by the new 4680 batteries. Batteries to different automakers is still unknown, but the Gigafactory's advancements suggest the possibility of these partnerships with every new development in technology. As an AI firm, Tesla's position is strengthened, and its stock value keeps rising. That's it for this video. There is no denying Tesla has the potential to become extremely successful, and we shouldn't be shocked if the rest of the world realizes this. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Insights if you enjoyed it. Thank you for viewing, and we'll see you in the next international video.